Hey there, wanted to let you know that I've just released our latest podcast episode with Naomi Augustine Yee from Magic Leap. And the reason why you should listen to this episode is because we're talking about something that's super innovative and epic, which is making an augmented reality experience of the biophilic Ecotopia future world. We're also talking about making a real-time digital twin of Los Angeles that you can see on a tabletop through augmented reality glasses, and what that means for bringing in real-time data about air pollution, weather, traffic, climate change, carbon emissions. We can use augmented reality to visualize the world in all sorts of different ways, and maybe even walk out onto the street where you can see an environmental data layer or any type of creative or interesting type of layer of information that is kind of skinned over the real world. I hope you get a chance to listen to the episode, and maybe one day we'll be able to put on augmented reality glasses and imagine the type of utopian biophilic world that we've all been dreaming of.